Hey guys, new perspective on videos here. I'm just rolling with raw footage from July. I'm going to do this every month, just kind of my take on what I want to do, and I think it's some good quality content still. So enjoy. If you guys haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe. Again, enjoy the new content, the raw footage, and the epic fish catches. So see you at the end of the video. Okay, that's a big one. That right there, folks, is T-bone. That might be the first 5-pounder of the year. We'll see. Unreal bite though. Little guy, going back. Pounder, going back. Let's go. We'll take that one any day, boys. I watched him eat it. That's a good one. Let's go. MT jigs, baby. Look at that. Right in the roof of that. Smallie on a jig. Let's go. Cool. That little guy swam out for it big time. I'm getting back. These trees look good though. There's one. Just a little guy. But right on the edge of this cabbage. Switches from cabbage to milfoil. And he wasn't getting away. Not bad, 2-pounder. On the net. Smallie. Little 1.5er. Going back on that net again. On the jig. On the jig. Something's got him biting now. I'm gonna capitalize on it, so let's keep going. Well guys, as you can tell, live well's on. We finally got a good one on the chatterbait, and the GoPro wasn't recording, so take him out and show you quick. I wish I had the catch on film, but clearly don't. Got a big old head. I haven't weighed it yet, but I'm assuming it's really high, 3 or 4. There it is right there. That's a good one, dark. Bit of mouth on that. We gotta wait on him after. Let's keep fishing. Let's keep fishing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That was the most epic thing ever. Empty jigs to the dome. That's a stud. That's a huge one. Look at that. You wanted that. Let's get situated here. Boom, baby. Great month of July there, guys. Started it with a big one. Ended it with a big one as well. A lot of jig fish, a lot of fun fishing. Thanks again to all these supporters here you see on the screen. I can't wait to start filming for August's edit. So I hope you guys stay tuned, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.